Ba't wala yung mga ano, no?
He is Occidental Mindoro. Congratulations at this time to all our winners. And at this time, one title remains, one dream, one great man. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you for the first time, your great man of the universe. Let's hear some noise. You are right. Occidental Mindoro, our great man of the Philippines, 2026. Congratulations. Iba, dapat.
You always pray for. Thank you.
Ay, di ba na buya?
Pesos of negosyo package and a trip to Japan. Wow! Alright, congratulations to our great man of the universe, Philippines 2026. And congratulations to all our winners. Tonight we witnessed more than a competition. We witnessed courage, determination, leadership, and purpose. To our candidates, thank you for inspiring us. Good evening, everyone, and we present to you your 2026 winners of the Great Man of the Universe Philippines competition. Great evening.